Alright, up next I have my GoPro, right here, GoPro Hero 3 Plus Silver. This is the old GoPro Hero 3, so it doesn't have the touchscreen. The GoPro Hero 4 does, but yeah, this is pretty much a one-trick camera because I really only use it for recording action shots. When I go biking, when I ride on my scooter, when I do some athletic events or sport events, marathon or something like that, then I use the GoPro. I think I did this beta breakers. I also use this as well as going on my scooter. But yeah, I just attach it to my head using the head mount right here, and yeah, records to 720p 1080p. You have your wide angle lens right here, and you have a little bit of connection at the back. You even have a micro HDMI connection, which is pretty impressive for a camera of this size. Micro SD slot and USB slot right there, and it can be waterproof if I replace this with a waterproof casing. So yeah, mainly for action sports, though I think in the future, if the DJI manages to make a camera that's both waterproof, smaller, and has optical stabilization built in, I think I would replace this with that, because the main problem with GoPro is that the camera has this fisheye lens look to it when you record using it, and that has to be fixed in post-processing, which is really annoying. That's what I don't like about GoPro is one thing is you have to get rid of this fisheye lens look, and another thing is I can't really see what I'm recording while I'm doing it. That is because mostly because I have this mounted to my body. Also because this model doesn't have a display. But yeah, that's my GoPro. I only use it really not very much. I only use it for action shots and stuff. That's it.
It's a really nice day outside today. Really nice. They're clubbing music. Let's go.
Yeah, baby. Yes, this fucking gear's not do anything.
This bike creaks. It's like,
oh fuck, it's
like crack.
They disconnected or something.
Yeah, sucks.
Oh, it is fucked, but it's like
so intense. Wow.
it's almost like being in a music video that was making.
Yeah.
They bring the club too often, lately.
the way it shakes. All you got is a memory of pain. Nothing makes sense if you stare at the ground and hear my voice in your head blowing up to the ground. What do I have to say? Maybe I should do what I have to do to break free. And whatever happens to you, we'll see. But it's not gonna happen to me.
Nice. Well, I can't even hear yours actually.
Huh?
I can't even hear yours. I just hear mine. Oh, yes.
Hold it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Man, I love this rap game, mainly cause it's cool. Not little spite,
Oh,
cause my
okay.
life is really blue. Everyone exaggerates the tiny little bit, make that shit sound more gangster than it really is. We ain't hear me, man, we wanna hear street, we wanna hear you spit your thug over
Pure 39.
Don't take it as sarcastic, I can't get enough, I'm telling you, you can call my bluff, this is not rough.
Oh.
I'm not even ashamed. I got too much reality that's filling up my brain. Sell me on that product.
Hey, Ethan, can you hear it?
Suck it up like a cigarette. Something that I feel once in a while, but between me and you, it's just like a cigarette. Let me tell you something that I realized tonight. My hip-hop radio's like Marlboro Light. They're both selling stories and they sound about the same. Cigarettes say the same, rappers claim they really bang. We don't care if it's true when we lay the money down. We don't believe the words, we just love the way they sound. They're acting like we're idiots, they're lying to our face. Maybe we are idiots, we buy it anyway. I'm running out to get the next rapper CD, just sucking up the guns, drugs, and misogyny the same way that I suck up all the stories when I breathe that little bit of death, supposedly cancer-free. And everything they say's got the truth twisted up, and twisted up's what I want, man, I can't get enough. Cause even though we know it's all just a big bluff, we just light another up, what? We don't give a fuck. It's just like a cigarette, something that I do once in a while, but between me and you, it's just like a cigarette. Nobody's really a fool.
Stop.
We gotta synchronize. Let's synchronize on
But I can't hear you anyway. I can't hear you anyway.
Yours is coming through pretty good.
Yeah.
Considering. I know, we need to mount that shit.
Oh my god. This mounted right here would be
We
good.
need a mount. We need to devise a mount. We need to go to the store and buy some bungee cords or something.
Yeah. Oh man, it's pretty good. I don't know, it's pretty cool. Oh yeah.
Alright, we gotta synchronize.
But it doesn't matter, I can't hear you.
Oh, I know that one.
Alright, let's just go. Yeah, let's go. Same song.
Dude, he said that, like, when we were making the first Linkin Park record, he was like, yeah, you know, I don't know about the rapping, like, I don't know if we're, like, maybe we should be a rock band, you know what I mean? Like, kind of change us. Like, they signed us as an act like what we sound like. And then he's like, oh, I don't know, maybe you should just play keyboard. For the first song that you heard me on, it was already trying to get me gone, telling me to quit rapping just to lay the key. My band had a singer, they didn't need me. My band had my back to the hidden track. Put out the album and the talk was flat. Money at first, but then the humor faded. The magazine printed that our label made up. It was too good to be true. Some say Ghost Project was right. Spelled it out to the detail how we knew we were making it new. After that, I made it a rule. Only use email responses to print a few. Because these people about to put a twist in the word. Absurd, you said something fucking absurd. Oh, y'all lose hit me deferred. Not used to hearing the first one. So verb, first read, vocabulary words. People used to infer that we were manufactured. Now I got the interviews on now. People said what wish down. Now F you, enemy, screaming insanity all the way for fun of me. I'm a big fan of me, bitch. Maybe Joe Ron should wear a lab coat and a cowboy hat. Like when we play. God, he's crazy. Later on, he plays Let's go, yeah. Trying to convince me that I'm running on empty, trying to convince themselves that their record is big with the flimp, that the record that I'm making is a mistake and I can't take this. Let me tell you where I'm at with this, you bastards, you're gonna have to take back that shit. I'm not plastic and fake, when I make tracks I take facts and lay it out on the masses. You assholes are gonna see soon that I'm not playing, and start asking me the names that I'm not saying. What I'm trying to be bigger than the big one, bigger than the Benny names, all and none of the rest talking, rumors and labels and categorizations. I'm like a struggling doctor, no patience. You can say what you want about me, keep talking while I'm walking away. You can say what you have to say, my mind's made up anyway. Tomorrow, what about you? The next time that I'm gonna touch you. You can say what you have to say, my mind's made up anyway. All that bullshit you talk like words tonight, but it's not gonna work today. People are running off the mouth, trying to make me take myself off stage. Keep trying to mix my friends from their backs to the scene we built, building up some mistaken information, and I can't take this. Let me spell it out plain for you. Angry groups complain about the things we do. I'm not changing direction, I'm stepping